what are the kind of risks that mobile app presents to as privacy risk to the companies, and how teams can solve for that?
Yeah, I think three things jump out here on mobile apps for me. One, when we say a mobile app, hey, do you have a mobile app? Yes. Well, what platform is it? iOS and Android? Maybe someone's got a Windows app out there, I don't know. But you're really now doubling the amount of apps that you need to monitor and govern, right? Just because I have one app, but I have two platforms, it's two different tech stacks, two different set of SDKs and APIs that could be called into it. They could be built very differently depending on the organization. So it's not just thinking of, hey, we do this once in say iOS and it covers Android. No, there are different implementations that you need to manage. So take the number of mobile apps you think you have, probably multiply by 2. That's the number that you need to govern. And that also includes the number that you need to be aware of changes to. So anytime someone makes an update to the app, are they collecting more information? Are they adding new SDKs? How do we get plugged in at the code level to see those changes are versus after it hits the App Store and it's going to take 3 weeks to publish a change to get approved by Apple to actually go through? How do we see that before it actually goes out the door here? And then the last piece around mobile apps is within an app, you have the SDKs, but they can also call APIs out into other ecosystems that can pull data back into the app that can share it out. So we want to be able to have a better view into how data flows across the app within and internally and externally within the app. And that gives us this big point of view on where our risk is, what do we do well, what do we need to govern more, how do we manage these changes more effectively?